Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, we'll be analyzing Nifty 50 for the upcoming week. So let's start ahead with the Nifty analysis. So over here, if you see, this is a weekly candle for the Nifty 50. For the last week, we saw a very big body with huge sell-off from like 19,200 level. We almost came till 90,650, 600 levels. So from there we have seen, with this sort of a candle we should have seen a follow through, and we actually saw we tested 19,500, but the closing came well above like 19,500 and it has closed around 19,638. So which is a good sign as of now. Like after a huge sell off, we retested the previous week's low with respect to that, and we retested and we have given a closing in between this, in between the range of this body exactly. If you will see here in the next daily time frame, we'll understand what was the logic behind it. Now here if you see, I have marked the levels of this candle. The high was around 19,766 and the low is almost like 90,492, which was on the weekly expiry day. On the monthly expiry day, we had seen levels of around 90,492. So as of now, we see like after a huge sell-off, we have seen retesting, and we have formed a doji kind of pattern on a weekly time frame basis. If you see, we have got a emphasis. So the important things, important levels to watch out are 90,500 on the lower side and 19,500, 90,750 on the higher side. So let's move ahead with the daily time frame for the Nifty. Over here, if you see, okay. So here on Thursday we saw a very huge big candle, and it has formed like a very big body with minimal shadows on the upper side and the lower side. Lower side we saw a minor sell off till 90,495, and we have closed almost like above 90,520 plus something levels over there. And on Friday, if you see, we have formed an inside day candle. So I already posted a video on the mother candle concept, wherein how to trade with that strategy I have posted, and please do watch that. It will be very helpful. So now here, if you see, we have a huge candle wherein, and we have seen a Nifty forming a inside day candle on the Friday closing basis. So the now important things is like whenever the mother candle is there, we have to give respect to the low of the candle and the high of the candle. So the important things to watch out in the next week, as Monday being a holiday, it will be a truncated week. So there will be a lot of decay because of 1 day deduction in the trading days, and the important level is 90,500 because we have this low and the high is 90,750. We'll also confirm with that in the option chain in the later stage of the video. So now if you see, we will see some buying momentum which will be there in the 19,500 unless and until we see on a daily time frame basis closing below 90,500 level, and that too with the body of the candle should be very huge, along with the uh, volumes. Along with that, volume should be there, and once upon we see a closing, and then after a retest we can think of selling in that momentum. As of now, if you see in the gift Nifty, we are seeing around 70 points gap down, but tomorrow we are not going to trade. We will have US market and others, so it will impact the opening price. So as of now it is showing 70 points. We will not consider that, and we will, according to, even though if it is 70 points below, we will come around till 19,550 levels, which is going to be the same level what Friday the low was there. So let's move ahead with a smaller time frame on a 15-minute time frame. If you see on a 15-minute time frame, the important things to watch is here. See the pattern that is forming on a Nifty. I'll draw a trend line that is forming in this fashion. Let me zoom in a bit, and over here if you see, we have a zone which is forming something like this in the downward direction. The important thing to watch is that we are forming a high, which the next high is coming as a lower high, and the lows also which we are forming are lower lows, compared to the previous low. Now if I compare this low with this low, this is lower low, and even if I compare this high with this, it is lower high. So on Friday, on Thursday and Friday, we saw a Nifty bounce till on Thursday, especially we saw till 90,750. So the high was also almost similar to the previous high on the exactly 25th trading day. And on Thursday also monthly expiry we saw at 750 as a crucial, and even on the Friday we saw around bounce back till 19,727. Yeah, 19,720 plus around till 20 moving average day. Right. Okay, from there, so we are saying that the Nifty is forming lower highs and lower lows. So unless and until we form on a smaller time frame, there is no reversal in this pattern, because Nifty is forming in a downward direction. It is going in a downtrend moment, because the price action is suggesting that we are seeing all the lower lows and lower highs. So unless and until the higher, the high, the Nifty will make an high above this all highs, maybe like if unless and until it takes out these 19,760 750 level decisively, and it trades around there for 15 to 20 minutes, then only we can see a momentum, change in the direction of the Nifty. Till then the Nifty is like a salon rally, and we can make a use of, if we see some bounce till 90,700 90,720, and we have a falling 20-day EMA, that is on a daily time frame basis, it is comes around 19,730 level. So unless and until Nifty takes out this level on a intraday basis as well as on a daily time frame basis, we will try to short it on a rally, and we have to observe whether the Nifty is going to take rejection or not. So I think this is more than enough to trade on a intraday basis. We have the lower level to watch out is 90,500, and the higher is 90,750. So in between this range, if we find any bounce around like 700, 650 odd levels, and we can think of, and we have this trend line which is going on a 15-minute time frame, we can make use of this and observe. If we get a rejection, then we can trade on a Nifty in an intraday basis. So let's move ahead with the option chain, and let me open this. Or if you see this, this is a platform that I use for like I use this because I'm used to it, and this platform is called as an iCharts, and you have a lot of options wherein you will get the more details about the interface, about various aspects in the data analysis. So over here, if you see, this is the 5th October expiry date for the Nifty. Then we see here at the money price, Nifty has closed around like 19,650. So the momentum, we saw major call unwinding on Friday, especially because we saw a rally from almost 19,550 till 19,720. So there was a call unwinding, and hence there was momentum in the Nifty in the early morning session or till 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. So if you see, there is been a descent put writing also. If I move on to below levels, if you see here, we have around like 19,000, almost 60 lakh difference is there between the put writing and the call writing. So the important levels to watch out are, like, if you see 90,600 holds a good OI for 72 lakh open interest. Along with that, if you see 90,800 has around 86 lakh. So which these levels combine with our technical analysis, the 90,500 put also holds like 65 lakh, and the important is 90,600 also holds around to 72 lakhs. So these two three levels are going to be important along with the data analysis and technical analysis. So I hope I'm clear with these levels, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.